In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unban someone on a Facebook business page. If someone has been banned from your page and you want to give them access again, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in your browser without getting lost in Facebook settings. To begin, log into Facebook using your web browser. It's usually easier to do this on a desktop or laptop because the settings for business pages are more visible there than on mobile. Once you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From there, select your business page so that you are acting as the page instead of your personal profile. This part is important because some page management settings are only available when you've switched into the page experience. If you skip this, you may not see the correct options. After you've switched over, click your profile picture again in the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and choose Settings. This will open the main settings area where Facebook stores all of the page controls and visibility options. Now take a look at the menu on the left hand side. Under Audience and Visibility, click on Blocking. This is where Facebook keeps the list of people and pages that are restricted or banned from interacting with your business page. Once you are in the blocking section, click Edit next to Banned People and Pages. After that, select See or Block List. This will show you the full list of accounts that are currently banned from the page. Carefully locate the person you want to remove from the ban list. If you have a long list, take your time and make sure you are choosing the correct account. When you find them, click Unblock or Unban from page next to their name. Facebook may use slightly different wording depending on the version of the page settings you are seeing, but the action is the same. Finally, click Confirm to finish. Once you do that, the person will no longer be banned from your Facebook business page. Keep in mind that unbanning someone removes the restriction, but it doesn't automatically restore any previous interactions or settings beyond that. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.